Dear students, we all are very lucky that we belong to a country like India where we have got the opportunity to enjoy all the seasons. Though we love all the seasons, but we wait eagerly for the rainy season because it comes after the scorching summer and gives us relief from dust and heat. It also quenches our thirst and makes us feel happy and refreshed. Dear children, the same kind of feeling we are going to experience from the poem How Beautiful is the Rain. Before I read this poem for you, I would like to give a brief description of the poet. The poem How Beautiful is the Rain is composed by the H.W. Longfellow. He was an American poet and was famous for writing melodious and rhythmic poetry. This poem also has rhythm and beauty of nature. Let's start with the reading of this poem. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. In the first stanza, the poet expresses his happiness and excitement when the rain falls upon the dry and fiery street, because earlier the roads were full of dust and were also burning with the heat of the summer, but now the rain had turned them cool by quenching their thirst, and they are also looking very neat and clean as all the dust has been washed away by the rainwater. The second stanza is how it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. In the second stanza, the poet has added rhythm and melody to the poem. Here, clatter word is used to describe the sound of the rainwater when it falls upon the roofs of the houses. The poet has compared this sound with the tramp of the hoofs of a horse. Here, hoof means the horny part of the foot of a horse, and tramp means the noisy sound made by the horse when it moves on the road. Here, gushes word is used for water flowing out in a rapid stream, and spout means a pipe or a tube fixed to the roof to drain out the rainwater. Here, the poet says that the rainwater struggles to come out of the pipe fixed to the roof and flows down with high speed in the form of a stream. The third stanza is across the window pane it pours, and swift and wide with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars, the rain, the welcome rain. In the last stanza, the poet describes how the rain falls upon the window pane and washes away all the dust of the window side. Now, the rainwater is full of mud and it flows through the drains in high speed. At this time, the poet has compared it with a river roaring down the gutter. Here, roaring word is used to describe loud sound of flowing water. Now the poet is overwhelmed with joy and welcomes the rain with open arms. Children, here I want to explain one more thing. In this poem, many words like clatters, tramp, gushes, and roaring are used to describe a particular sound. Such words which are used to describe a particular sound are called sound words or onomatopoeic words. This is the explanation of this poem. I hope you have understood this poem and have enjoyed it as well. Thank you.